just eat it. Eat it. Open up your mouth and don't worry about if it's funky or if it's wrong or right.
Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Tuesday, June 23, 2026. Opening brief. What's good, my traveling fam? It's your girl Rattles. Best in Travel Channel hosting. Baby, the travel streets done woke up acting ignorant again. We got thunderstorms throwing hands, airports arguing with computers, planes getting a little too close for comfort, and the FAA finally admitting the system been running on hopes, dreams, and Windows 98. So grab your snacks, charge that phone, and keep your carry-on where you can see it. Let's get into this foolishness. First brief. FAA said the weather woke up choosing violence. What that blue said to Rattles was, the FAA warned thunderstorms could impact flights across major cities including New York, Boston, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Orlando, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Palm Beach. Wind issues were expected in Las Vegas while low clouds threatened delays on the West Coast. Baby, the weather map looked like somebody owed Mother Nature money. The clouds wasn't floating. They were spinning the block. Folks looking at their boarding pass talking about, please Lord. Meanwhile the thunderstorm looking back like, nah. Second brief. FAA finally found the upgrade button. What that blue said to Rattles was, the FAA awarded a massive contract for a new flight scheduling system called SMART, designed to better predict congestion, weather issues, and airport traffic before flights depart. Translation, the old system been moving slower than a gas station microwave. Baby, the FAA basically said, we've been guessing. Now they finally installing software that might tell them the airport about to fall apart before 8,000 people already sitting on the runway sweating through their vacation outfit. Third brief. Boston Logan had another "y'all too close" situation. What that blue said to Rattles was, federal investigators continue reviewing a situation involving a Delta arrival and American departure that reportedly came within roughly 300 feet before corrective action was taken. No jokes on safety. But baby, 300 feet in airplane language is basically, why is you over here? That ain't social distancing. That's aggressive neighboring. Everybody on them planes probably started praying, apologizing, and texting people they ain't talked to since 2017. Travel tip of the day. Check your airline app before leaving home. Not at TSA. Not after parking. Not while standing in line looking confused. If the weather got attitude today, the app already knows. Fourth brief. Bristol Airport got electrically jumped. What that blue said to Rattles was, thunderstorms reportedly damaged air traffic control systems affecting operations around Bristol Airport before services resumed. Baby, lightning pulled up and started unplugging stuff. Passengers talking about, but I got dinner reservations. Lightning said, and I got electricity. Case closed. Fifth brief. Logan Air said safety first, vacation later. What that blue said to Rattles was, a Logan Air flight diverted safely after a technical issue prompted precautionary procedures and an alternate landing. Baby, the second folks hear words like technical issue and diversion, everybody suddenly become family. Nobody care who stole the armrest no more. Everybody united. One mission. Get this plane on the ground and let me see my suitcase again. Sixth brief. Middle East routes still playing hide and seek. What that blue said to Rattles was, airlines continue adjusting Middle East schedules as some routes return while others remain suspended or modified. Baby, that route map still look like somebody spilled hot sauce, coffee, and stress all over it. Some flights back outside. Some flights still hiding. And passengers refreshing airline apps every 7 minutes like they checking lottery numbers. Closing brief. Today's scorecard. Weather got anger issues. FAA finally updating the computer. Boston airplanes got too friendly. Bristol got hit with sky electricity. Logan Air made a safe detour. Middle East routes still moving like they don't trust the room. Meanwhile airports everywhere still testing people's patience like it's an Olympic event. BreathtakingLagoon.com still under construction getting remodeled. We'll let you all know when it comes back outside. I'm Rattles. Charge your phone. Check your alerts. Pack patience. And stop trusting airports like they got home training. Peace. Rattles out.
Babes, that's today's travel gossip tea. If you're booking a trip, double check them dates, fees, and fine print don't get played. Drop your city in the comments and tell me what travel mess I should cover next. I'm back tomorrow, same tea time, same chaos. Bye!